Hello my dear students, again I would like to welcome you on this e-learning class. I hope you solve exercise 3.8. Yes, if any problem you can ask me, okay, or you can send me on WhatsApp, right, on my personal WhatsApp number, right. Today we will see solving the brackets, how to solve brackets if the simplification problems are there. So how numerical problems are there, so how to simplify it if the brackets are there, right. For that we'll see first types of brackets, right. I wrote here V BODMAS. So I already told you regarding BODMAS, right. Now V BODMAS, what is V BODMAS? Today we will see, right. So first we'll discuss about the types of brackets. How many types of brackets are there? So we'll see. Okay, first types of brackets. This is very important thing. Understand? You should know the types of bracket and how to solve the bracket. First which one, second which one, third which one, right? Likewise DEMAS rule, right? Same. Now V stands for vacuum, or we call it as a line bracket, right? So we will see one by one. I will draw the Venn diagram, means you will understand. Types of bracket. First we call it as a vacuum or vacuum, or another name is we call it as a line bracket also. Line, or again one name is there, we call it as a bar bracket. Generally in our teaching we are rename as a bar bracket, right. So the symbol is like this. Whichever the numbers are there, on numbers head above the numbers, this bar is there. This is the sign of vacuum bracket or line bracket, or we call it as a bar bracket. V. Then B stands for, we will see first bracket. Second one is small bracket, small, or another name is round bracket. Now what is the symbol of round bracket? It's very easy. Half curve here, half here. This is the symbol of, generally you know we are using, right. So this is called which bracket? Small bracket or round bracket. Next one is curly bracket. कर्ली ब्रैकेट. सी एक उल्टा एस, सीधा एस और उल्टा एस. सेम, पहले सीधा एस देन उल्टा एस. Now it needs practice. Understand? At home, draw on a big page, like this page, bracket, and overwrite it. Ask your parents, ask your mama, papa or brother, sister to draw the bigger one, this bracket, curly bracket, and overwrite it 100 times, 1000 times, right? Means you will habitual to draw this bracket. Understand? This is very important. Next one is, last is square bracket. Square bracket. The symbol of square bracket is this one. This is called a square bracket. Understand? Now how to solve? This is very important. When in a problem, while simplifying the numerical expressions, all brackets will come. Suppose the all brackets came, how to solve? First we will have to solve if the vacuum or line bracket is there, or we will rename as a bar bracket. Bar bracket is there. First you will have to solve bar bracket, and while solving the bar bracket, it's very important, be careful. जो पहला टर्म होता है, पहला नंबर होता है, उसका साइन कौन सा भी रहो, डोंट काउंट दैट साइन. अंडरस्टैंड? जब सॉल्व करेंगे तब मैं बताऊंगा. ठीक है, दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देन इफ द 3 ब्रैकेट्स आर देयर, देन सॉल्व फर्स्ट राउंड ब्रैकेट और स्मॉल ब्रैकेट. ये सॉल्व करने के बाद ये ब्रैकेट आता है, कर्ली ब्रैकेट. सो देन नेक्स्ट कर्ली ब्रैकेट, और कर्ली ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करने के बाद लास्ट में स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करना है. दिस इज द सीक्वेंस. फर्स्ट बार ब्रैकेट और लाइन ब्रैकेट और वैक्यूम ब्रैकेट, देन स्मॉल और राउंड ब्रैकेट, देन curly bracket, and then last square bracket. Understand? Step by step you will have to solve. I will take one example. In that your ideas will be clear. Okay, these are the types of bracket. This is or VB or. These are the types of brackets. P means vacuum, B means brackets. So all these types of brackets: small bracket, round bracket, or round bracket, curly bracket, square bracket. Right? Then you are aware about the D mass. Understand? D stands for division. And in that also you will have to solve first which operation. If the 4 operations are there, you will have to solve first division, then M, multiplication. Very good. Then A, addition, and last S, subtraction. Understand? This is the meaning of V BODMAS. Right? Remember this. It will help you while solving the problems. Understand? So let's see. I'll take one example. If you want, you can pause the video and screenshot it. Right? Take a screenshot if you want. Otherwise, in your book there is. Okay. Now I'll take example. In that, remember B O remain, no, O means off, right? And here off means multiplication, right? In problem maybe sometimes it will give an off, right? Off means multiply 2 numbers, right? Whichever there. Okay, let's see. We'll see. Take one problem, means your ideas will be clear, right? Okay. I'll take two examples. 28 in, for example, example 1, in bracket 28 divided by, in bracket 28 divided by, in curly bracket 10 minus in curly bracket 10 minus, in round bracket 3 plus 6, 3 plus 6 minus 3, and here is the bar bracket, bar is there on his head, and then all brackets going to end, round bracket over, then curly, and the no square, yes, square bracket. Okay, now this is the problem to simplify. Now how to solve? What I said first, see here vacuum, or we call it as a line bracket, or we call it as a bar bracket also there. So first which bracket? Bar bracket, then round bracket, then solve curly bracket, and then last square bracket. Understand? We'll solve one by, and same remaining term will be as it is. Now 28 in bracket, square bracket 28, division sign as it is, in curly bracket 10 minus, in round bracket 3. Now solve this one, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3, 3. So here plus 3, this bracket over, now curly bracket, square bracket, end. Now next step, 28 as it is. Now which bracket? Round bracket or small bracket. Remaining term as it is. We will solve this one. Now remaining as it is. 28 divided by, in curly bracket, 10 minus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. Obviously 6. So write here 6, curly bracket over, this one over, and square bracket. Curly, then square. Now which one? Round bracket over, now curly bracket. Now solve curly bracket, this one as it is, square bracket as it is, 28 divided by, in bracket, sorry, now no need to draw the bracket because we are writing the answer. 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6, 4, right? So square bracket. Now 28 divided by 4, do it. 28 divided by 4, 28 divided by 4, or else you can solve orally, right? See, 4 hows are 28, 4 sevens are 28. So or else you can, in rough you can do 4 sevens are 28. What is the quotient? 7, means the answer is 7. Understand? Understand how to solve? What is important? Focus first how many brackets are there. If the bar bracket is there, solve first, right? You'll have to solve the bar bracket like this. Okay, solve this one, then round bracket, we solve a round bracket or small bracket, then we solve curly bracket, see the sequence, and then we solve lastly square bracket. Understand? Now let's take another example of one off is there, so your idea will be clear. If off is there, how to solve? See, it's very easy, but you need to focus 100%. Understand? If we miss a single addition or subtraction sign or change, then your whole answer will goes wrong. Understand? Now let's see another. 9 plus in square bracket 20 minus 3 of, no, there is no square bracket, direct curly bracket is there. In curly bracket 20 minus 3 of, see, of What I said of means multiplication. Last one, remember, 3 of 5 plus, in round bracket, 20 plus 40, 20 plus 40, 20 plus 40 minus 25 plus 5, minus 25 plus 5. Oh, sorry, divided by 5. Divided by 5. Bracket complete. Now see. Here bar bracket is not there, right? Curly bracket is there, and here ends with curly bracket. Okay. Now see. Okay. Now see. First we are solving which one? This one. Round bracket, or we call it as a small bracket. So this small bracket, first we will solve. See, first check how many operations are here. Addition also there, subtraction also there, and division also there. 3 operations are there. Addition, subtraction, division. Which one will be first? इसमें से पहला हम कौन सा सॉल्व करेंगे? कौन सा ऑपरेशन? Yes. Which one? Division. So 25 divided by 5. 25 divided by 5. 5 hows are 25? 5 5s are 25. So instead of 25 divided by 5, what should write? 5 only. So remaining term as it is. Okay. Equal sign down, equal sign. 9 as it is, plus as it is, curly bracket as it is, 20 as it is, minus 3 as it is, off as it is, 5 as it is, plus sign as it is, in round bracket 20 as it is, plus 40 minus, now 25, instead of 25 divided by 5, what should write? 5 5s are 25, so quotient is 5, so write 5. Round bracket complete, curly bracket complete. Now addition and subtraction. Which operation? First addition. So now we will add these two. Remaining term as it is. So write 9 plus, in curly bracket, 20 minus 3 of 5 plus, in round bracket, 20 plus 40, 60. 2 plus 4, 6, 0 plus 0, 0. 60 minus 5, bracket complete, round bracket, and curly bracket also complete. Understand? Now this operation will have to solve 60 minus 5, because round bracket का लास्ट ऑपरेशन बचा है, वो पहले हम सॉल्व करेंगे, उसके बाद ये राउंड ब्रैकेट चला जाएगा, खत्म होगा. नाउ equal sign down, equal sign. 9 as it is, plus, in curly bracket, 20 minus 3 of 5 as it is, plus as it is, 60 minus 5. 60 minus 5, 55. So write 55. Now this bracket over, round bracket खत्म हो गया, अब curly bracket. Now how to solve this? Off means multiplication. So first multiply, remaining term as it is, 9 plus, in curly bracket, 20 minus 3 5s are, or 5 3s are, 15. Very good. Plus 55, bracket complete. Understand? Okay, now one more thing, it's very important. Let me check chalk. Okay, now see, now In curly bracket, how many operations are here? Subtraction and addition, 2 operations. Which one will be first? I said addition. But here 15's sign is minus. So minus plus minus will be there. So addition I said. So 55 का साइन कौन सा है? प्लस. और ये 20 नो साइन इज देयर मीन्स एडिशन साइन. रिमेंबर ऑलवेज नो, ये अभी 9 का साइन नहीं है मीन्स ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव साइन और एडिशन साइन. रिमेंबर लाइकवाइज यहाँ से शुरू होता है कर्ली ब्रैकेट, इसमें कोई साइन है नहीं है मीन्स एडिशन साइन. सो ये 20 प्लस 20 प्लस 55 दोनों की एडिशन करो. सो नेक्स्ट विल बी 9 as it is plus in curly bracket 20 plus 55. 5 zeros are 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 2 7, 75 minus क्या बचा अभी? minus 15. So write minus 15. Curly bracket complete. Now in curly bracket only one operation, 75 minus 15. 9 as it is plus in 75 minus 15, 5 minus 5 0 and 7 minus 1 6, it's 60. Now 9 plus 60, 9 69. So answer is 69. By this way you have to solve. Understand? First which bracket? Either line bracket or vacuum back or which bracket? We call it as a bar bracket, जिसके नंबर के ऊपर एक स्लीपिंग लाइन है, दैट इज कॉल्ड बार ब्रैकेट. वो अगर है तो वो पहले सॉल्व करो, उसके बाद राउंड ब्रैकेट है राउंड ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करो, उसके बाद कर्ली ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करो और लास्ट में स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है. और ब्रैकेट में भी सी हियर इन राउंड ब्रैकेट कितने सारे ऑपरेशंस हैं. अगर यहाँ एडिशन है, सब्ट्रैक्शन, डिवीजन, इफ देयर आर 4 ऑपरेशन देन ऑल्सो यू हैव टू अप्लाई देयर डीमास रूल. डीमास रूल से ही सॉल्व करना है. या ऐसे नहीं कि बा अभी करली राउंड ब्रैकेट में है 3 ऑपरेशन 20 प्लस 40 60 60 माइनस 25 जो भी आएगा उसको डिवाइड बाय 5, ऐसे नहीं करना है. अंडरस्टैंड? यू शुड गो बाय सीक्वेंस. Got it? Okay. So I hope you understand. Next video we will start to solve exercise 3.9 and I think this is our last exercise of lesson number 3. Okay. Till then, bye.